Good morning, all. Welcome to Ananati Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. Gold prices climbed to a two-week high as US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell opened the door to cutting interest rate as early as September. Nevertheless, the fundamental backdrop seems titled in a favor of bulls. Hence, any subsequent pullback might be seen as a buying opportunity for the day and may remain limited as traders now look to the US non-farm payrolls report on Friday for a fresh impetus. Gold intraday support is around 70,400 and 70,900, while resistance is around 69,500 and 69,100. Going ahead with energy update, crude oil extended gains amid escalating geopolitical tensions and thereby potential supply threats, while declining US stockpiles confirm robust demand. Today, China's PMI data once again disappointed market, keeping the demand stress intact. However, all eyes are now on the OPEC Plus meeting today, wherein comments on supply cuts trajectory from the key member is awaited. Crude oil intraday support is around 6,520 and 6,440, and resistance is around 6,660 and 6,740. Going ahead with base metal update, copper prices extended to trade mix as China mainland stocks are struggling to sustain gains from the previous session due to disappointing manufacturing activity data. Meanwhile, the Federal Reserve has indicated a readiness to cut interest rate in September and amid improving inflation data, which might limit the downside for copper. Copper intraday support is around 800 and 790, while resistance is around 812 and 818. On currency front, dollar softens after the Federal Reserve opened the door for an interest rate cut in September, helping keep the yen pinned near its highest since March in the wake of a hawkish pivot from the Bank of Japan. Whereas rupee is virtually threatened now to 83.70 band with no real trigger in sight. Major events scheduled today are Bank of England interest rate decision, US initial jobless claims, US non-farm productivity, US S&P manufacturing PMI, US IMS manufacturing, EIA natural gas storage. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.